If your child's success is on your mind, then this video is just for you. Hi, my name is Dr. Poonam Kage. I'm a psychologist, a parent coach and an upcoming author. And in today's video, I'm going to share 4 vital principles you must inculcate in your children to get them success ready. There is no one recipe for success, but there surely is a defined system that will help you establish a routine for success. So let me share the 4 principles. First, support their aspirations. Most often, parents impose their expectations on their kids. But the foundation of success is when you help your child realize and believe that they have limitless potential in them to achieve all that they desire. So, do not impose your aspirations on them. Instead, support their ambitions. In this manner, you will be able to help them craft a step-by-step plan to become better in whatever they choose to do or be. Second, nurture positive values. Values such as compassion, patience, and perseverance are a must for success. In fostering these, you will help them see that challenges are inevitable and failures are unavoidable. But learning will always be a choice on the path to success. Emphasize that in every situation, they will have to make a choice either to give up or work out a way through the challenge. Don't confine their learning to their school syllabus. This is one of the fundamental mistakes most parents make. The subjects that your child studies are essential, yes, but there is more to life than what the academics have to offer. Let them learn through different avenues. For example, they could learn organizational skills by helping you on your daily chores, or they can learn social skills as you discuss and have meaningful conversations with them. Do not underestimate their level of understanding, and at the same time, do not expect precision in their execution. Allow them to set their schedule. As your child grows, instead of telling them what to do, equip them with tools and allow them to explore how they can design each day. This is the best way you can empower them. So, rather than setting a routine for them, sit with them and encourage them to create a routine for themselves. Brainstorm with them and be suggestive rather than thrusting your ideas on them. This will help them become more self-reliant and independent. It is great to have some quick tips for implementing daily. But when we are talking about getting your child success ready, you must focus on these fundamentals for success. I hope these 4 key principles will help you design a routine for your child's success. Leave me a comment and tell me which principle you will implement to help your child succeed. For more such tips and strategies, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon and click on all notifications so that you get notified when I release a new video every Tuesday and Saturday. Also, if you like any consultation on any parenting challenge that you may be facing, then mail me on poonam@rollercoasteredu.com and I shall get in touch with you. Until then, stay intentional, stay happy.